Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to lecture number 4. In the previous lectures, we have studied the basics of the data structures and the arrays. So arrays, we have seen that how to insert the element in the array, how to delete the elements from the array from their given memory locations. Now, array discussed previously, to insert and delete at any place, like we can insert the element at the start of the array, we can insert the element at the end of the array, and we can also insert the element at the middle of the array. But sometimes we need to restrict our operation, such as from the starting end, or I should not enter the values at the middle of the value. I should only want to enter the value from one side, or either I should want to enter the value from the back side. So such time we need to restrict our operations. For such a restrictions, we have two more important data structure, which is called stakes and queues. Stakes, daily life examples, stakes of the plates. Stake mean first in last out. कसे के अवल दाखिल शुदा उ द आखिर मेरा, लास्ट इन फर्स्ट आउट कसे के आखिर दाखिल शुदा उ अवल एग्जिट मेशा. This is called stake. Like ikaba ramibinin, ikaba case, the plates are placed after one another. So the last plate will be removed first, then the second plate will be removed, then the third plate, and so on. In the last, the first one was to be removed in the last. Same as for here, same as for these books. Here, apple will be removed first, then the first book, then so on, then the first placed book will be removed in the last. Same as for the coins. What is stake? A stake is a linear data structure. Linear means one-dimensional data structure in which the elements may be added or removed at only one end. As yak taraf element insert mesha or yak taraf element delete mesha. Previous slide example of the stake in the daily life was like we have seen the plates, coins, folded towels, and stake of books. The element added or removed only from the top of the stake. So it means the last element added to the stake to be the first to be removed. Therefore, stake are also called last in, first out. As I said previously, first in, last out, or last in, first out. Stake has many applications in the computer science. I will give you a simple example of the undo button. For example, I will open my computer, then my computer C file. In the C file, I will open my document. Then in my document, I will open in Word file. Now I want to go back. I will just click the back button. It will take me to my documents. And then from my documents to C, then from C to my computer. Are you seeing this thing? Yes. Here we are using the stake. For example, this is the stake. I'm going to remove this one. And I write it down here, let's say pop session. So look at, I want to go back now. How I will go back? First, last in, mean the pop I written is the last thing. It will be removed first, then the second operation, then come. Here in the computer, we are using the stake here. So a stake can be used to store the data during the expression analysis. Expression analysis mean when, let's say, first plus operation should be, negative subtraction should be performed first. Then after that, multiplication operation should be performed. Then after that, division operation. Then after that, parenthesis. Getting my point? So this is called expression analysis. Or when we call the functions, then the return address and the contents are stored in the stake. When we are using the functions, in the programming language, we are making the using of the stake. For example, when we are converting the decimal number into binary, then the binary value first store in the stake and then it display the result. We will do this thing, inshallah. Stack is a linear data structure in which the elements may be inserted or deleted at one end, mean one side. With that side is known as the top of the stack. That is known as the top of the stack. Here, this is the array memory locations. Here from the above, I will insert the element, and from the above, I will delete the element. Here, this portion is known as the top of the stack. From the top, the element will be inserted and deleted. There are basically two main operations in the stack. Remember, two operations: push operation and pop operation. Push mean inserting the element into the stack. Pop mean deleting the element from the stack. So push mean insert the value in the stack. Pop mean delete the values from the stack. So for insertion, I will use the push pointer, and push operation. And for deletion, I will use the pop operation. For example, we have empty stack here, and I want to insert the value 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. First 11 will come, then 12 will come, then 13 will come, then 14 will come, then 15. Here, now what is the last element inserted? This is called the top of the stack. Initially, the top was pointed to location number 1. When you insert the value 11 into the stack, when we insert, the top is incremented to the next location. This is location number 2. And when we insert the second value, the top will be incremented to the third location. When we insert the third value, the top will be incremented to the fourth location. When we insert the fourth value, the top will be incremented to the fifth location. And the last value was 15. We inserted all these 5 values. Now here, the last element inserted here is what? 15. So 15 will be the first value is going to be removed. Which value will be removed first? 15. So when I increment the value, when I adding the value, the top is incremented by 1. In push operation, the top is incremented by 1. But when I'm going to delete the value, the top will be decremented by 1. For example, 15 is deleted. Now the top will want to point the location number 4. It is reduced by 1. So top is incremented in deletion operation. When I remove the 14, the top will now point to the third location. It is decremented by 1. You have to keep in mind these things. Stack can be implemented in 2 ways. One is called the static implementation. One is called the dynamic implementation. Static implementation, it is done through linear array. A pointer variable which contain the address of the top element. Like I said, we have used here the pointer top. So this is called the static implementation. Wherever location is pointed by the top, here the value will be inserted and the value will be removed from the stack. So it is done with the help of the one of the variable, the particular top element of the stack. This is the top element of the stack, and also a variable max stack that contain the maximum number of elements. Max stack mean how many values can be inserted into the stack. In this example, how many location? Total 7 location. 5, 6, 7. There are 7. The size of this stack is 7. Max stack mean total number of element inserted into the stack. This is called the static. Here, look at here. What is the size of the stack? Maximum number of element. There are 9 elements. So max stack value is 9. It can store how many values? 9 values. And how many values already inserted? 4 values. The top pointed to location number 4. If I want to insert the next value 50, I need to first increment the top pointer. Top is equal to top plus 1. Then I will insert the new value. Here, location number 5. If suppose I want to delete the value, so I will first remove the value 40, and then I will decrement the top pointer. Top will now point to the location number 3. The value is 30. Simple as this. A max stack which contain the maximum number of values inserted into the stack, and top is helping me to insert the value and deleting the values in the array. Dynamic implementation, static implementation has some limitation. A static array is used, so size cannot be changed during the program execution. So memory is wasted. For example, अगर शुमा गुफ्तिन मा पिंजा memory location में खाया, the पिंजा शुमा धा value restore कर दिन, चल memory cell ची शुदा, जाया शुदा. Dynamic memory implementation. Dynamic mean हर चिकर वैल्यू के शुमा में खाइन फॉर एग्जांपल शुमा चल वैल्यू रे में खाइन तो चल वैल्यू आले साइज बर शुमा अजावल मालूम न बोत इधर रन टाइम बर तो मालूम शुदा खुद रन टाइम आले मा मेमोरी रिजर्व में करें for example well first value restore kadam then the memory will be assigned to the second value then the memory will assign to the third value step by step the system will be continue so list an example of it we will study the list you cannot understand how it works but right now for you guys so dynamic implementation mean waqt runtime ma I will decide how much memory I need it so that the memory wastage should not be possible for example chal memory cells mein khaye ko chal bar shuma sa hamesha so should no memory wastage will be done हाँ पेश अजी के शुमा स्टेक ऑपरेशन शुरू करें बाद की एक दो कंडीशन चेक शवा first one is overflow second one is underflow overflow for example सही कोई चलस मा दिगर वैल्यू सेट कर दम 5 50 60 70 80 90 स्टेक पूरा शुदा आले गर्मा बोगे हम सद वैल्यू रे देंगे सर को निकल मा जाने दारम दिस इज कॉल्ड ओवरफ्लो पुरशुद अंडरफ्लो लोकेशन हम वैल्यू रे डिलीट कर दम अष्टम हम डिलीट कर दम कुल स्टेक वैल्यू रे डिलीट कर दम दिगरिश वैल्यू न मान मा बोगे हम के वैल्यू नंबर सदा डिलीट को ओ सत होई एग्जिस्ट न में को ना इसका अंडरफ्लो खालियस so overflow mean when the stake is full and no new element can be inserted into the stake underflow mean when the stake is empty and you want to delete the values that is not possible overflow एक चीज अभी बिन हमेशा याद बाशा overflow वक्त की overflow बाशा top is pointed to the max stake top मसाबी चीज max stakers वक्त की स्टेक खाली बाशा टॉप चीरा पॉइंट में कोना जीरो एक चीज नहीं पॉइंट ना में कोना मैं एक चीज पॉइंट ना में कोना did you get my point so create the stake the following operation can be performed on the stake create first we need to create the stake then we need to insert the element which is called push operation then we need to delete the element which is called the pop operation we also check it whether the stake is empty or not push operation look at here initially the stake is empty here top points nothing so I should push the 2 I inserted that so the top points to location number 1 I push the 8 I push the 10 no here it points what it points the last location algorithm for inserting for push operation and for pop operation this is very simple algorithm you can also go for this one the first thing step number 1 you have to check what overflow this is insertion stake پر خونه شده ببین ما بر بیشتر به شما گفتم چطور بر ما معلوم میشه که stake پر شده یا پر نشده for example here this one go to this slide let me take the here example of this one control C I will take this one bring it to the algorithm so that we should do that control V here make it here yes let's do that if top is equal to max of stake be meaning that top the akhir location ko na rasida yes you can insert the value agar top the akhir location barasa Bachimisha, if top is equal to max of stake, then what will happen? Then overflow. The remaining code will not be executed. Ali ko barabar na shuda, so remaining code will be executed. Chikar ko top is equal to top plus 1. Topachi ko yak increment ko. Topachi ko increment ko. Top increment ko top is equal to top plus 1. So how I will increment the top pointer? The location chara must top. The top chara में increment को the location पंजे भी आ रहे हैं और insert the value हर जाए के the stake top point में को ना मुझे चिको value रे insert को finished yes this is one point pop operation اول ببین stake خالی خو نیست underfloor ببین نه خالی نیست اینجا سه ویلیو ما دارم top heater point میکنه location number سیرا और वैल्यू डिलीट को और टॉप अच्छी को या कम को बाद अजी आले टॉप इंजा पॉइंट में को ना बाद अजी आज तो वैल्यू डिलीट को टॉप चीज़ में को ना या कम को लोकेशन फर्स्ट पॉइंट में को वैल्यू डिलीट कर दे आले टॉप चीज़ पॉइंट में को ना so this is called the last one is called here this one stake is empty now first it was having 3 value I removed the 3 values now the stake is empty simple very simple if top is equal to 0 अगर top इस चीज़ पॉइंट ना मेको ना what does this mean ये बार ब्रदर अजीज स्टेक खाली है अगर नहीं खाली नहीं तो पुरस हर जगह के आइटम को ना हर जगह के स्टेक टॉप वैल्यू पॉइंट मेको ना अदू जची को आइटम डिलीट को और टॉप या कम को बाद आइटम डिलीट को टॉप कम को आइटम डिलीट को तब वक्त के स्टेक खाली निशा this is called the population let's go to implement this concept in the programming language so that you can understand how it works. I will open the code blocker because I don't need further the slides. I will go to the code blocker. Let me open the code blocker. Is it open? Yes, it's open. Let's come to the let me share the code blockers. Yeah, you can see now. Bimin. Before that, you have remember in the PPT, before that, I need to implement some function first. Which function? Before the main. I will implement the stake using function. Okay, brothers? We have already done the function. It's very, before the main function, we declare the functions. First thing I will need to do, I will declare the size of the stake. I'm going for static implementation. Hash define max 50. So I'm saying that maximum size of the stake will be what? 50. And I will also say global variable before the main int stake. Stake is my array and the size will be 50 max, whatever I declare it before. And then I will assign also the top because I want to access this top variable all around the program. So int stake max I already defined the value for that, and here I have the value for the top. Let me write down. It's okay, no problem. Okay, how many function I need to here do that? Before the I will need it. First function I will need is the stake initialization. I need to initialize my stake. Remember, I have to implement the 5 functions. The 5 function is the first one is the whether to initialize the stake. Second one, whether the stake is empty or not. Third one, the second one is also called underflow. Second one is overflow, whether to check it whether the stake is full or not. Same operation I will need to implement is the 6th operation forum is the push element, then the pop operation, and then to display the values. So let me write down simple is this. First one, I will need a function that I need to initialize stake. So this is my first function, initialize stake. I will also write down the comments stake initialization. Stake initialization. Stake initialization. Okay, this is the first function. Second function, I will also implement it. So I will write down the code here for this one. Stake initialization. First function. The second function I am going to implement, which will be the full, whether to check it whether my stake is full or not. So I will write down int is full. Here. Int is full. So I should, the next function I needed to implement is the check it whether it is empty or not. This one is for the overflow operation. Next one, I will copy this one just for my simplicity, is empty. Is empty. This one is for the underflow operation. Okay, the next one operation that I need to implement is the what? Push operation. So I will also say this thing, push operation. So white push. It will receive one value also because I need to insert the value int num in here, this one. Yes, this one. Okay, this one is operation for inserting the values in the stake. Inserting the values into the stake. Why it giving me initialization spelling? It's okay. Okay, the how many operation run? Stake initialization or initialization. Stake initialization. Here is the second one operation is the full, and I will write down first operation we have performed here stake initialization. Second one is the we have to overflow operation. Third one we have gone for the underflow operation. The fourth operation we have go for inserting the values, and the let's go for the other two operations remaining one. Okay, push pusham shuda ale pop manda wide pop operation. We need to implement also the pop operation. Yes, the perfect one. White pop operation. And the last one operation we will need to implement with that will be the which one? Display. So I will also display void display operation. Okay, let me write down here. Panjam operation kudam chur kadam pop. Removing the inserting, removing the elements from the stack. Shasham operation kudam shuda. Shasham shuda. Shasham kudam shuda. The display the last word. Displaying the values. These are the comments just to help you to understand the functional, the mean what we are doing here. Okay, this one So how many function I need to implement? I need to implement this function, this one, all these 6 functions, I need to implement it. But after the main, let's go to the main. No, here, no, we have the structure of our code. No, the next value is the implementing the functions and the main callings. Let's go for that one. So this is very, very easy. So how to go? Okay, I need to insert one value. For that, I need a variable int number. Int number I need to insert, but after that, okay, when I need to insert the value, I need one character ch. I will ask from the user whether you want to insert the value or not. Okay, so then do while loop. I need a do while loop. So I should do while loop. This is my do, and in the last I will write down the while statement. Do while loop. You know we have studied already while loop with me. While. So I should while loop here. There's the condition of the while will going to be put. Then after that, system will going to be exit. Okay. Okay, int number, but I'm inside in the main function. I have declared a variable number whose data type is integer. But before that, before starting my function, I need to initialize also my stack character ch. So I will go to here. Inside in the do while loop, I will go for what? Inside, I will implement my function int choice. What will be my choice? In choice, cout here, \n, one for the push operation. You want to insert the new element or not? Okay, \n, 2 will be 2 will be for the push operation, 2 will be for the pop operation, and \n, 3 will be for the one for the push operation, 2 for the pop operation, 3 for the which one operation should we give? Display. We will give it for display our result. Display my result. So I should 1 for push, 2 for pop, 3 for display the result. Here, this one. Then I need to do what? Okay. I need to go for further enter your choice. Cout. What do you want to do in the program? Cout. Enter your choice. In choice. Here, I declare a choice. I will provide this in choice. If so, I will go for switch now. Switch. Kira catch ko choice catch ko user chi enter kara. Switch choice. Yeah. If the user one, press the one. Catch one. If the user put the one, what should you do? Enter any number. Cout. To insert in the stack. In ami number. Keep declare kata budam in num. So I should. Ali maida mada kujaraman me kunam. Mada push operation raman me kunam. So push num. Bala ma guftum na. Pushed in num. Ami jamara raman me kunam. Push operation ama jakal me kunam ki veruchi kuna barma insert kuna. No push num. So I should push operation echi kar me kuna kal me kuna. Push num. This one. Ami push amachi me kuna kal kada me ja. بعد بريك فانكشن ما امبلمنت में كنا مگر आखिर बाकी अवली कार खलास हुआ केस दो अगर यूजर ची कुना दूरा सेलेक्ट कुना इंजा चॉइस तो पुश ऑपरेशन पॉप ऑपरेशन कॉल को ओहो नॉट फुल फुल कॉल पॉप ऑपरेशन कॉल को सही शुद माची कार में कुना आई विल कॉल दी पॉप ऑपरेशन एंड बैक वेरी सिंपल केस 3 अगर यूजर 3 रिपोर्ट कुना उसी कार को डिस्प्ले फंक्शन कॉल को डिस्प्ले फंक्शन अच्छी कार को कॉल को एंड ब्रेक okay let's go for the default mean ना हो यूजर 1 प्रेस कर दे ना 2 प्रेस कर दे ना से प्रेस कर दे ना माई जाली ची में गम सी आउट invalid choice شما درست نیست بعد من بگم سی out select your range from 1 to 3 please select it within the given range so I should default I should and I will here this one so this one the switch statement is now finished we have managed very easily the switch statement okay the next thing we need to do is what okay here for this one see how do you want to continue further do you want to continue see in here this one ch ma bala ch gufta budum ch and before this do here this one is character ch do you want to continue ch ali ma mega minja agar waqt ki user y press kuna वो continue भाषा अगर यूजर नो एना प्रेस को ना continue while character is equal to y भाषा या where is the or symbols अगर यूजर y small y प्रेस को ना या large y प्रेस को where is the if character is equal to y where is that or symbol I'm not getting it or okay let me check it where is the I've just took the copy here to find out this simple agar user a y press kuna small y or yaar user a capital y press kuna so allow him continue okay otherwise agar n press kuna so terminate everything now let's implement this function e khush hoda yaar khela asan hai sahi ko अगर यूजर वन सेलेक्ट करना को वैल्यू इंसर्ट को यूजर दूसरा सेलेक्ट करना पॉप को अगर यूजर सेरा सेलेक्ट करना डिस्प्ले को वैल्यू सर देन स्विच केस 1 वाज वन किरस फंक्शन को नाम फंक्शन अकाल को पुश ऑपरेशन अकाल को अगर दूसरा प्रेस करना पॉप ऑपरेशन अकाल को सेरा प्रेस करना चिरकाल को डिस्प्ले अकाल को इज वेरी इजी फॉर दिस वन लेट्स गो फॉर इनिशियलाइजेशन at starting our function अगर सही को array as a programming language को दम शुरू में शा सिफर अगर मैं बोलूँ हम array 5 सिफर था 4 शुरू में शा नो अगर initialize the pointer वक्त की स्टैक खाली बाशा स्टैक टॉप चीरा पॉइंट में कोना ही चीज नहीं मामेगम चीमेगम top is equal to ची बाशा -1 top चीरो के array को सिफर शुरू शुदा सिफर अवल नंबर चीज -1 is it should initialize stake ایچی شده اینجا استیک شده. initially stake هیچ چیز پوینت نمیکنم. ما اینجا که وقتی که شروع میکنم بعد از این ما چی میگم initialize stake امی فانکشن ما چی که ما کال میکنیم امی فانکشن که بعد از من چی کار کو امی فانکشن کال کو اول کار که کو امی فانکشن کال کو. here this one صحیح شد. اول فانکشن از این کال کو. second one is empty. so empty برما چی کسمی معلوم میشه stake ما empty است یا نیست یا stake ما full است یا نیست ایچی کسمی معلوم میشه اگر ما سیمپلی میگم ده اینجا if is full چی تو برما میشه if اگر ما ببینم چی کنم if the particular top this pointer variable here this one wait oh okay is full if this one top pointer yeah ichi to barma malum micha ki full ase yani if this top is equal to if the top is equal to chibasha max stake max minus 1 max okay ما برات گفته بودم نه که اگر ای top مساوی stake top pointer مساوی max stake شده مکس اینجا ما گفتم 50 اگر آخری لوکیشن رسیده چورا که 0 تا 50 تو 0 تا 50 توتال سایز 0 تا 49 حساب میشه ما ماینس 1 میگیرم اگر ای top is equal to max minus 1 است نو چطور میشه I will assign the value here for this one that my stake is full and I will say this one that return 1 mean the answer condition is true agar full as yes else return 0 return chico 0 return ko gape ma fahmidin yes oh here I will put it here if top is equal to top رسیده تا آخر لوکیشن خو کنډیشن درست است return 1 صحیح شد otherwise مساوی نیست خو ای کنډیشن چی است false است is full int is full so let's go for the other one empty for empty how we will go for this one empty the same is here for this one we will copy this one it will help me to save my time if top is equal to chito bar ma malum shava if top is equal to -1 agar each value insert na shuda each location point mein kana or return 1 ko else return 0 amim shuda digar white push int number so how we will go for the inserting the new element so first chi karme ko na ma me binam aya چورا که ما انسرشن میکنم و ما کدام چیزا را میگیرم ما اول ای را میگیرم here this one ما اول چی میکنم the push operation ما کار میکنم که اول ما میبینم بالا خو ما دیفاین کردم که چطور معلوم میکنه که فول است یا چطور معلوم میکنه که خالی است اول ما چی کار میکنم اول ترین که چی کار ما میکنم the push operation ما چی کار میکنم if here this one ما کدام فانکشن کال میکنم if is full اگر از بالا result true آمده اگر از بالا چی آمده result true آمده نو بعد چی کار کو سی out value رچی کو insert کو yes اینجا نمبر آمده کنه امی رچی کو value insert کو so چی بگو push sorry اول خب ما sorry if it is full اگر we stake full است number amada chibogo stake is full sorry for that stake is it's too much code see out stake is full stake is full you cannot insert the value and then also return return हमको value का सही शुद्ध बाद अजी जी कार मेशा बाद अजी की मेशा I will then remove the values from the stake. Otherwise, it's very lengthy. Also, you have to be energetic for this one. Okay, stake is full. You cannot insert the value. This one condition is true. हो आले अगर full न बुध चिकार में कुनिम plus top चिको increment को plus top increment को stake of top हर जाए के stake point में को ना stake of top is equal to चिको stake of top is equal to number हर value की इंजा receive शुदा मुझा द जाए location के top point में को ना अमु value द चिको insert को and also show this one see out Chishuda the particular is value is inserted \n from the new line. Okay, here this value number is inserted in the stake. The value is inserted in the stake. The value is inserted in the stake. Yes. The next one is the pop operation. How we will go for the pop operation? Let's go for that one. Let me here then return because the if statement is finished here. This is after if. Pop operation, how we will go for the pop operation? Here, I need to know remove the value. I will take int temp a temporary variable में गिरम की कुनाम video नमा delete में कुनाम ई बमाची बाचो जिमे कुना backup में सादा. आले बड़ी मा कुनाम function अकाल में कुनाम is empty. Deletion as ना. भाई जमा कुदाम function अवल काल में कुनाम बाद इसमें अगर is empty. अवल empty function अकाल में भी ना कि जायज़ या नहीं खाली है ये अगर खाली है तो माची में कम see out stake is empty. Stake is empty. First, insert some values, then delete it. I should end return. Oh, अगर value both, अगर ये condition statement गलत both, false both, अगर value both, बाची कार को, how we will do for that one? Temp is equal to stake of top. Oh, this is capital because I declare it balama declared capital katam so I will also use the here before the main top here, so I will use the capital T top. Every time I will use the top, you should not make the mistake for the if you use the small letter then you will use the above a small वो तो पाइम small इस्तेफादा में करें should हर जगह के the stake top by to ना वो value रे begin the ची assign को the temporary variable assign को और say stake वाली size माची में को ना top minus top minus stake size वाली मात कम एक कम में को ना see out hey do you have to see out the value has been deleted. Kudam value R value के temp दारा चिकार को वो deletion deleted from the stack. is or the last one function we need to implement is the display. Display is the int I. I will take the same as to display the values from the what here for the array. It's very easy. Oh, before that, in order to display it, agar stay khali but you have nothing to do. You cannot show anything. So I should. Oh, this is also inside in the if is empty. Yes, I will take this one again as my backup here for this one. My maybe agar stay khali ho na boot. If it's empty, agar e khali है चिकार को निशान को तो see out stake is empty. Stake is empty and return. So should agar khali na but ali chico value inshallah bote 4. The last step for I is equal to top. As top shuru ko I is greater than equal to 0. Ta location 0 bia. अवल जाके टॉप पॉइंट में करना अवल वो वैल्यू बाद टॉप रकम को बाद आखिर लोकेशन की तरह से greater than equal to 0 or I minus minus I minus minus I minus minus I minus minus चिकार को see out value चुको निशान बते stake of top sorry not top हर जाए के इको I point में को ना I को वाला stop शुरू में शा सही शुद्ध stake of I हमें first value का निशान बते see out stake of I and here give some space or started from the new line the next value. Yes, I will also insert the new line over here. So it will start it from the new line when we are going to displaying the values. So I should end this one is for the I. So let's run it and we need to find the error if we have errors. Okay, here top, there is an error because I have not used it. This is not the error, this is the typing mistake. Yes. Let me share the output. Yeah. Are you seeing this thing? So much lovely, this thing. First, 1 for the push operation, 2 for pop, 3 for display. Enter your choice. I want to, let's say I have not insert anything in my stake. Let's see how it works. 2 for push operation. Stake is empty. First insert some value and then delete it. Yes, do you want to continue? Yes, I want to continue. Yes. So let's insert some value, 1 for the push operation. Enter any number to insert in the stake. So first I will 78. 78 is inserted into a stake. Do you want to continue? Yes, I want to continue. 1 for the insertion. Again, I want to insert it. Okay. Do you let me here make it larger. Enter any number again. I will write a 98. 98. I'm going to insert it. 98 is inserted. Do you want to continue? Yes. Let me insert 3 value here. 1 for the push. And then next value is 55, 54. I have set it 3 value. Okay. Do you want to continue? Yes, I want to continue and display my result. Sorry, 3 display my result. These are my values 54, 98, and 78. No, I want to delete the value. Okay, you tell me first which value will be deleted first. I have inserted these values. Let us delete the first value here. The last value, last in, first out of pinjo char delete mesha. Yes, I want to here. I want to do deletion here. here pinjau charchi shuda bibin delete shuda chan value manda ali beki bibinin d3 display ku here do value manda nawadu hasht and haftadu hash pinjau char delete shuda. This is I will say no, I don't want to continue and accept everything. So dear students, this was the stake. We have seen the stake implementations. Look guys, the question may be arise in your mind that, oh, this coding is too large. The coding is not the part of the course. It was my responsibility to show you how to implement these algorithms. Now after that, I will not implement the algorithm to you in the programming language, because you have just studied one course, Introduction to Programming. We have further subject, that is Q, the circular queue, the list, the trees, the graphs that need advanced level of programming, but you haven't studied. You have just studied one course. This was Introduction to Programming. After this now onward, we will do what? We will do only study the algorithm. We will see how this code will work, how it will help me to implement this logic in the programming language. After that, we will just study the topics and the algorithm. So if you have any question, please ask. You can call me, you can email me, so that I can answer your question. So goodbye for now, and Allah.